Wait a minute! Who are you? You know what? I think we're gonna be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. And y'all, I just noticed that I do not be saying welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel in my previous videos. Like, what I got going on? But I don't know. But welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you already know what I'm finna say. Subscribe. Cause why not? Like, you already clicked on the video. You already watching this. You already, you might as well subscribe. You might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn the post notifications on. So you can be notified when I post a video, because I'm posting video on video. Like, I'm posting, So subscribe, like, everything. Just do everything. So this video today is going to be a new video to a new series. I'm starting another new series, and it's going to be called Trends. And it's going to be me trying to recreate trends. I'm going to be getting my inspiration from Pinterest and Instagram, but mainly Pinterest because they have a lot of trendy stuff that you don't really see other people wearing on Instagram or Twitter or YouTube or anything. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be trying to recreate the stuff in my own way. Maybe not the same color, but the same pattern, maybe the same pattern, maybe the same, but I'm going to put a spin on it. You're going to put the jazz spin on it, put the pizzazz on it, I'm making a hat too. Like, in this video, I'm going to make a hat, a bucket hat. Them bucket hats been going around like again now, and I made a reversible bucket hat out of the scraps of pants that I had. So I'm going to be making that too. So I'm going to be making the patchwork pants and a bucket hat to match for my fit, because I'll be a little dressed and a little, So yeah, I'm going to be doing that. If y'all want to see or me recreate more trends or different type of trends, you can comment down below, or you can follow my Pinterest, because I have a Pinterest. It's called Jazz the Pinner. And y'all can see what else I'm trying to recreate, because I have boards that show like what I want to recreate, or stuff I found interesting that I probably am going to create or created already and was going to show y'all. And if y'all like this video, So yeah, let's just get into the video. So I was not planning on making this hat at all, but I knew I wanted to like do a good picture in these pants, and I needed something. I needed a purse, I needed a shirt, or like I needed something to just tie in the look. And I went to the thrift store, looked for purses, could not find nothing. I definitely did not want to make no shirt, no patch shirt, because it was just, I did not want that look. So I'm like, oh, what can I make? So I'm like, I'm finna make a hat. I'm finna make a bucket hat. I really already wanted a bucket hat. I really wanted to make one. So I'm like, I'm finna make one. I hope I got enough scraps, and I did. So I went online and I looked up a stencil, because the stencil, like, it makes it way easier, So I looked up a stencil, and I'm gonna link the stencil down below, just in case y'all want to do this. I don't know, y'all might want to make your own bucket hat, because this is easy. Like, this is easy. Okay, so for the stencil, you need 1 circle, 2 headband pieces, and you have to cut on the fold. So like, you don't cut 2 pieces like this. It's folded and you cut it, and then when it opens like this. 2 brim pieces, and I made it reversible, so double all that. So first, all I did was take the 2 headband pieces, face them inside out. Good side facing up and good side facing down, and then inside facing up, inside facing. And I just sewed that on there.
So then, why?
Bam, you have the headband. I had the headband. I'm like, oh, this is easy. That's all I had to do. Okay, so then all I did was take the circle, good side facing up, and I took the headband, good side facing in. outside facing out. Pin around the circle. Okay, this not hard. It's not hard. Like, I gotta sew on a circle. This not hard. So I pinned the circle. I'm like, dang, how am I gonna do this? Like, how am I gonna sew this in a circle right? Like, I don't know what I'm doing. But if you take off, like, I took off the thing and made it smaller, the sewing machine smaller, and it literally just takes it in a circle. Like, it just took it. I'm like, oh, okay, I can do this. I can do this. So after I did that, after I sewed them pieces together, this was what I got.
By creating an imaginary picture.
And this is the last step. Like, after I attached the headband to the circle, that was step two. Step two of three of making one bucket hat.
Next, you just take the brim and sew it on the sides just like the headband.
I did that. I just added the brim. The brim, I put up the circle and the headband together. Let's just call it a chef hat. I put up the chef hat facing up. I put the chef hat facing up. Good sides facing out. Put the brim on top of the hat. Good side facing in, bad side facing out. Pin that around the circle.
So then, why?
Sewed it. I have the hat, like I have the structure of the hat. Like, I'm like, oh, okay, this is easy. Like, this is easy, very easy. So after I sewed that and have the hat, while I was sewing one hat, I was also doing the other hat. So I have two hats now. All I did was put good side hat facing up, just the good side like this. Good side hat on top. So inside's facing out, inside's facing out. And sewed around. Not all the way. I left a small hole to pull it through so it may be easier to just sew that little small part. After I sewed all the way around the circle, all I did was pull the good parts on the inside out so it can be on the outside. Shape the hat so it can be a hat, because it did not look good like a hat. And I just sewed around the whole hat, and that sewing around the whole hat, just a small seam around the whole hat, makes it bucket, if you get what I'm saying. Like, it made it like curvy, and it made it bucket, basically, I guess, the bucket look. And I was going, like, you know how on bucket hats it be lines around the brim? That junk was so hard. Like, I don't know how people be doing that and it be so straight. Like, mine was so crooked, mine was square, mine was this, mine was that. I'm like, I unseamed all them. I only made one line. I unseamed that line. I was like, this just gonna have to be this. So that's what I did. I just left the brim on there, and I also like, since the hats are inside out, you can like pull it apart. I didn't like that, so I hand sewed around the top of the hat. Let me show y'all. I didn't record this part. I hand sewed around here, as you can see, but I use thread. Like, I use white thread, but I use it like how you would sew a wig. So I doubled the thread and tied a knot like that. So yeah, and then after that, all I did was, you know, customize it a little. You gotta put your little pizzazz on it, you know. So I added this. This was on one of the pair of corduroy pants. So I added this sign on this side, and I really just did this so I can know which side is the front, like which side I want to wear it on the front. And then on this side, I added this, and this is the front right here. I added this just to, you know, give it a little pizzazz so it won't be so plain. Like, you know, you gotta put your little touch on it. You gotta put your, I gotta put my little jazz touch, you know. So yeah, after that, this is the final result. This is what it looked like. Like, this is it. And this is a look. Like, this is a look. The pants and the hat together, a look. Like, follow me on Instagram. Like, I'm gonna show y'all the pictures that I took on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, because this is a look. You're going to miss out on my looks. Like, you have to follow me. You might as well follow me. So yeah, and how do y'all think I did? I think I did great. So if y'all think I did great too, like this video, subscribe, comment, share, everything, you know, might as well. So I really hope y'all enjoyed that video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and just stay tuned for my next one. Bye.